subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and in today's video I'm going to be No, not me. Actually, my friend is sitting over here. His name is Avirup Bhattacharya. I know you can't see him because he's wearing the invisible cloak from Harry Potter. And he's going to be teaching you a magic trick today. So Avirup, why don't you take off this invisible cloak? Like, everybody wants to see you. Hi.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Today, you're going to learn an amazing 3-coin mentalism trick and he's going to teach you how it's done. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Today I will be teaching you 3-coin mentalism magic which I will be performing with him, and let's see if I can teach you. And if you enjoy it, please subscribe to his channel and like this video, comment for more upcoming mentalism tricks. So for this magic we need actually 3 coins, and now I'm going to mark them with X, Y and Z mark on it. Okay, now I'm marking this with the X mark. Can you see it? Okay, I just put it over here and I'm going to mark this a Y. Now can you see it over here, the Y mark right there, and I put it over here. And for this one I am giving a Z mark. Okay, if you want, you don't have to mark it, but for this video I am just marking it so that you can understand sitting at home. Okay, can you see the Z mark? Okay, I put it right here. So there are 3 coins, X, Y and Z. Okay, now I'm going to perform it with you. I will turn my head that way. You will take only one coin, any one at random, right? Okay, I'm turning this side, as you can see. Okay, I'm turning this side. Now you take any one coin, take it, just choose any one, show it to them which one you have taken. Okay, now hold it in your fist like this. Just hold it in your fist. Okay, did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I am trying to guess which card by actually I'm getting some waves from your hand. I think I know your coin. Okay, wait, I think I know. Wait, I'm just trying to think about the coin. It's very tough right now. Okay, now do one thing, just take the coin outside your hand and put it at the same place. Okay, don't show it to me. Okay, did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm turning my back. I did not get the waves, so now I'm going to be asking the coins which one he just took, and they will be telling me, they will be whispering me to my ear. And let me just see. Okay, so they whispered me which coin he took, and believe it or not, I'm gonna guess this one, and I know he just took the coin with the Z mark on it, right? This one was the coin. So without looking, I just told him that was it this coin?
Yeah.
So this is how the magic looks, and I'm going to be teaching you how the trick is done.
So you're going to be learning this awesome magic trick with 3 coins. So let's begin this today's tutorial, right?
Okay, before learning the tutorial, hit the like button as fast as you can. Just smash the like button, smash. How do you do it? Smash the like button. Yeah, smash the like button just like this, okay? And let's get ready for the tutorial.
Yeah.
Okay, first take 3 coins. You don't have to mark these coins. Just for this video, I am marking it with X, Y and Z. You know, the secret is very simple. Every coin has a temperature of its own. Okay, just because it is a metal, it has a very cold temperature. The coins are quite cold, right? That is the secret. Temperature is the main secret. Now what happens is, if he chooses one coin, suppose he chooses this coin, hold it in your fist. Now when he holds it in his fist, Due to his body temperature, the coin gets hot, and after 30 seconds you can actually feel the warmth that gets absorbed into the coin, right? When I was turning my head in that position, in that way, I actually was waiting for the 30 seconds to pass, right? And after the time passed, and when he put the coin back at this place, just put it back, you can actually touch the 3 coins and you can understand that this coin is slightly warmer than the other 2 coins. These 2 coins are cold and this coin is quite warm. So when you take this coin and to your ear and tell that they are whispering it, you are not actually making them whisper, because the coin cannot whisper. You are actually taking the coin in your hand and getting that temperature of how hot it is, and after analyzing you can understand that this is the coin he just took. This is a very simple technique. You can try it on your friends. It is very easy. You can do it anywhere, at bars or at schools, or with your parents or with your siblings, cousins.
That is the only thing that you need to know, that this coin trick is actually based on the temperature of the coins. So you're starting with coins with their normal temperatures, which means they're slightly colder. When you actually hold any coin, you can feel them that these coins are at normal room temperature, and you can feel a little bit of coldness in them. So as you hold one coin for longer, like 30 seconds, then what happens is that the coin's temperature rises by absorbing the temperature from your body. And as the temperature rises, you can actually differentiate between the other coins by feeling the other coins with this. So when you are actually having all these 3 coins, you will feel all of these coins, and you can understand that only 2 of these coins have lower temperature, while the third one is a little bit warmer than the others. So that's how you're going to know that this coin was actually selected by your spectator and it was in the fist. So that's how you can reveal that this is the coin that you have chosen.
Okay.
So I hope you enjoyed learning this 3 coin mentalism trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @12_Zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to follow Avirup Bhattacharya at Avirup_the_showman on Instagram. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.